What if your car wasn't dying because of age, but because of you? Most people believe their car breaks down after 200,000 miles because it's just time. But that's a lie millions of drivers fall for, until it's too late. Because the truth is, cars don't collapse overnight. They die slowly, not from one big failure, but from a dozen tiny mistakes that quietly eat them alive from the inside out. A skipped oil change, an ignored noise, a cheap shortcut that seems harmless, until your engine seizes on the highway and your wallet cries for mercy. Every year, thousands of cars worth a fortune end up in junkyards, not from bad luck, but from avoidable habits their owners never questioned. And today, we're revealing the 12 silent mistakes that destroy cars long before 200,000 miles. Some take minutes to fix, some cost nothing at all, but ignore even one, and your car's countdown has already begun. Mistake number 1, ignoring small noises. A tiny rattle isn't just nothing. It's your car begging for help before something worse happens. What starts as a faint tap can be a loose belt, a worn pulley, or a failing bearing. Small parts that hold your entire engine together. Ignore them. And that quiet tick turns into a violent breakdown that could cost you thousands. A $30 fix today can become a $1,500 nightmare tomorrow. Most cars don't explode without warning. They warn softly first. The real question is, what if the next sound your car makes is the last warning you'll ever get? Mistake number 2, skipping oil changes. Your engine oil is the lifeblood of your car. Miss even one change, and that lifeblood starts to rot from within. Old oil thickens into sludge, just like cholesterol clogging arteries. It smothers moving parts, traps heat, and turns smooth metal into grinding friction. And once that damage starts, there's no reversal, only expensive regret. Every year, thousands of engines die before 150,000 miles, not from bad design, but from drivers who said, "One more month won't hurt." That single delay costs them an engine's lifetime. Because when the oil dies, the car dies with it. But even fresh oil can't save an engine that's breathing dirty air. Mistake number 3, not replacing the air filter. Your engine doesn't breathe air. It inhales life. But when the air filter clogs, that life turns to suffocation. The engine gasps for oxygen, burns more fuel, and loses its strength with every mile. Worse, tiny dust particles slip inside, scratching pistons and grinding metal that was built to last decades. For less than $20, a new filter restores clean airflow, power, and protection. Ignore it. And your car slowly chokes to death from the inside. And while engines need clean air, they also depend on invisible fluids we often ignore. Mistake number 4, neglecting coolant and fluids. Your car's fluids are its lifelines, silent protectors flowing through every system. But the moment you forget them, the countdown begins. Low coolant doesn't just overheat your engine, it warps metal, cracks gaskets, and literally cooks the heart of your car. Old brake and transmission fluids quietly corrode seals and valves, turning smooth systems into ticking failures. Fluids aren't forever. They age, they weaken, and they demand your attention. Topping them off takes minutes. Forgetting once can mean total failure, and a repair bill that makes you wish you hadn't waited. But sometimes the killer isn't heat. It's cold metal grinding where it shouldn't. Mistake number 5, skipping brake pad replacements. Your brake pads are the cheapest form of protection your car will ever have, but ignore them, and that safety net turns into a financial trap. Worn pads don't just squeal. They grind metal on metal, carving deep scars into your rotors and overworking your calipers. Stopping distance doubles. Control disappears. And one emergency stop could end in disaster. A quick pad replacement costs less than dinner out. Waiting too long could cost your paycheck. Or worse, your safety. And if your car can't stop properly, the next mistake might take you out before your car even dies. Mistake number 6, letting battery terminals corrode. That white, crusty powder around your battery isn't harmless. It's corrosion, silently choking your car's power supply. Each start becomes weaker. Each drive strains your alternator harder. And soon, your battery gives up long before it's time. A simple cleaning with baking soda and water takes minutes, costs almost nothing, and restores full electrical strength. Ignore it, and you'll spend hundreds chasing dead batteries that were never the real problem. But even the best battery can't save you if your tires are slowly killing the suspension below. Mistake number 7, ignoring tire pressure and rotation. Your tires decide how your car lives, or how it dies. Underinflated tires drag the engine, burning more fuel and stressing every moving part. Overinflated ones hammer the suspension, cracking shocks and bending joints, and unrotated tires wear unevenly, forcing early replacements that drain your wallet. A few minutes with a pressure gauge every week and a simple rotation every 5,000 miles keeps your car balanced, efficient, and safe. It's the easiest maintenance habit most drivers still forget. But one mistake is far worse. It's invisible, and it happens every time you start the car. Mistake number 8, driving cold without warming up. Engines hate cold starts. That morning rush where you start and drive instantly, it's quiet damage. The kind you don't see until it's too late. Cold oil moves like syrup. Revving too soon forces that thick oil through tight metal gaps, scraping and scarring vital parts with every second. Just 60 to 90 seconds of idling allows oil to circulate, coating moving parts in protection. Skip it, and you shorten your engine's life with every morning start. If you're serious about saving thousands and keeping your car alive longer, subscribe now. Because the next mistake is one most drivers commit every single day. Mistake number 9, running on low fuel. It's not just about running on empty. Every time your fuel light flashes, your fuel pump gasps for air instead of gasoline. That exposure overheats it and drags debris from the bottom of the tank. Tiny grains that clog injectors and strangle performance. Your engine begins to stumble, idle rough, and lose power, all because you tried to stretch a few extra miles. Keep your tank above 1/4 full, and your fuel system will last years longer. But even with perfect fuel, one unseen killer hides in every parked car. Mistake number 10, ignoring the sun. The sun doesn't just fade paint, it ages your car like time on fast forward. Those golden rays carry UV damage that cracks dashboards, fades colors, and dries out the seals holding your car together. Leave it unprotected long enough, and your interior begins to crumble from the inside out. A simple $10 windshield shade or car cover can stop thousands in cosmetic and resale loss. It's the cheapest form of time travel your car will ever know. But sometimes, the most dangerous mistake isn't neglect, it's obsession. Mistake number 11, overwashing and using harsh cleaners. Not every act of care keeps your car alive. Sometimes too much care kills it faster. Frequent washes with cheap detergents strip away wax, sealants, and protective coatings. Strong chemicals corrode paint, fade trim, and eat through plastic over time. It's slow decay disguised as maintenance. Use gentle pH-balanced soaps and microfiber towels. They clean without harm, preserving your car's shine for decades. Because when cleaning turns to overcleaning, protection turns to damage, and in the end, the result is the same. Your car dies younger. And finally, the most underestimated mistake of all, the silent killer hiding under every hood. Mistake number 12, ignoring the timing belt or chain. It's the most dangerous part you never see, hidden, silent, deadly. Your timing belt keeps your entire engine in sync, pistons and valves moving in perfect rhythm. But when that belt slips or snaps, that rhythm turns violent. Metal slams into metal. Pistons collide with valves at lightning speed. And in one instant, your engine destroys itself from within. Replacing it on schedule, usually between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, prevents total disaster. But most cars that never make it to 200,000 die right here. Because one simple forgotten belt was the difference between survival and scrap. But what if every mistake we've covered shares one truth? A pattern that explains why cars die early? The hidden truth. Cars don't die from mileage. They die from neglect. Each mistake might seem harmless. A skipped oil change, a delayed check, a tiny noise. But together, they create a slow-motion collapse that even the best mechanic can't reverse. A $10 filter becomes a $5,000 repair. A 10-minute habit ignored becomes a lifetime of regret. And when you realize it, it's already too late. The secret isn't maintenance, it's consistency. Drivers who reach 300,000 miles do one thing differently. They act early, not react late. Your car doesn't need luck, it needs attention. So before another mile passes, there's one last question left to ask.